Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool GRATE-KIT part #WPW10447923. The Whirlpool GRATE-KIT part #WPW10447923 is a replacement part for Whirlpool ranges. It includes 2 grates and 4 mounting screws. The grates are made of durable cast iron and are designed to fit most Whirlpool ranges. The kit is designed to replace worn or damaged grates on your range, allowing you to keep your range looking like new. The kit also includes installation instructions, making it easy to install the new grates. This kit is an ideal solution for anyone looking to replace their worn or damaged grates on their Whirlpool range. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement grate kit for Whirlpool gas ranges. It is used to replace worn or damaged grates on the cooktop. It can help to fix symptoms such as grates that are cracked, warped, or otherwise damaged. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the dishwasher at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the lower dish rack and unscrew the screws that hold the bottom panel in place. 3. Remove the bottom panel and locate the existing grate assembly. 4. Unscrew and remove the existing grate assembly from its mounting bracket. 5. Take out the new Whirlpool GRATE-KIT part #WPW10447923 from its packaging and place it in position on top of the mounting bracket. 6. Securely fasten it in place with screws provided in the kit, making sure to tighten them firmly but not too. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.